Today was my second day here in The Hague, in the Netherlands. It was raining all the day. When I came yesterday, I was expecting to see snow here, like in New York, but I didn't see any. And I've been told that it won't be snowing this year. They don't get snow every year here in the Netherlands, but they expect to get snow maybe next year in 2010. So today I want to speak at a press conference organized by the Coalition for the International Criminal Court here in The Hague. And that press conference went very well. The panelists were Mrs. Lorraine from the International Bar Association, Mrs. Kate from Gender Justice Initiative, and myself from Witness. The discussion was around the DDR, disarmament, demobilization, and the reintegration of child soldiers, and the advocacy we did before the International Criminal Court using video, a duty to protect. We produced it in partnership with Agedica, the local NGO in the DRC, in Eastern DRC. And also we discussed about the legal implication of this trial, the protection of victims and witnesses, and the participation of children, and also everything about safety and security of those witnesses and victims. So it was a very interesting discussion, and journalists were moved by my story because I've been working for this issue for 10 years. So they were very interested in having my story and pitch that story in their news broadcasting. So it was a very interesting day at the press conference today. Journalists were from big news broadcasting, for example, Reuters, Agence France Presse, ANP from Germany, and many others. There were about 10 journalists in the press room of the Coalition for the International Criminal Court. And in the afternoon, I was meeting with Mrs. Sonia Robler of the Outreach Department of the Office of the Registrar of the International Criminal Court. I was accompanied by my colleague Tracy Gard from OSI Justice Initiative. The discussion was around the project we are initiating in partnership with OSI Justice Initiative and 5 local NGOs in Eastern DRC. So we discussed around the feasibility of the project and also about safety and security in the Kivus. Mrs. Sonia was very enthusiastic, did welcome very much the project, and she was very interested by the project. She offered to cooperate, and actually she informed us that they are also doing a not very similar project, but something which is a little bit similar, but the difference is the approaches. They'll be doing the project only in 7 villages in Ituri, while we'll be conducting this project in the whole eastern part, in Bunia, Goma, Bukavu, and Uvira. And the approach is ICC-based approach, while our approach is independent organization approach, which was very interesting to see the discussion, what we did, and it was very interesting that at some point there is complementarity, but not competition or contradiction. So by having that approach will help us to keep our neutrality and independence and make sure that we deliver a non-partisan message to the people about the trial of Thomas Lubanga in the DRC. And we hope that will help the people in Eastern DRC, especially in the war-affected communities, will help them to get a better understanding of the trial and also of the international justice mechanism. So, and then on Monday now is the day where the trial will start. We got our accreditation, so we'll have seats in the press room. and we'll have the opportunity to record all the trial, all the statement, and it will be interesting to see whether Thomas Lubanga will plead guilty or non-guilty. It will be very interesting, and I look forward to it on Monday. I'll make sure that I'll keep you updated. Please go visit the hub at hub.witness.org to get all the information every day about the proceedings. You get all the material about the proceedings. So stay on the loop, stay updated, and visit the hub anytime when you can. Thank you.